Oh mate, the rock cod. One day I'll get a legal one. Far out. Would you believe it? It's a rock cod. Same fella. Deeper water, see? Let's see what we got. It's getting over this little rock cod. Oh, little trouty. Too small, but beautiful fish. Wow, look at that. I'm out of battery in this one. That's alright. Whoa. Beauty fish. Oh, settle down, bud. Look at the beautiful colours on that. Wow. Yeah. One more and I might get my long leggings on. I'm getting smoked by the sun. Come Come on, the fish. Yeah, rock cod, I reckon. Oh! Oh, there was cold trout chasing it. Rock cod, yes. Let's try those trout. How can you be quicker than a cold trout? Oh well, that's it. I'm getting smashed by the sun. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm a goose. I went out early and didn't put my sun leggings on. I'm gonna go do it now. I'd have something to eat too. Nice little head of herbs, very nice. Wow, pretty little spangled emperor, I think. Long Tom. I think they're... Whoa! Get out of here, buddy. Get out of here. See you later. Ooh, a little wrasse. I don't think there's a limit on wrasse. That's about 30 centimetres, so that might be dinner. Yee-hoo! It's about 35 anyway. Good tucker, 2.5. Not great, apparently. An average table fish when eaten fresh. We'll give it a go. Thanks to the beautiful wrasse. And thanks to the land, what a beautiful spot. How lucky am I? Yee-hoo! You're gonna get in the cold. Mountains in time, holding waters deep. Once land, now buried far below the sea. Whales floating in open space, ever relying on the smallest of creatures. Without one, there can't be the other. A blink of an eye in space's odyssey. What we find moving, we hang on to. A raft among the stars that we can only cling to. Nothing above the cycle, vessels empty needing to be filled. Always a balance, and once it is taken, it can't be refilled. All right, let's get this to go. Wow, beautiful white flesh. Oh, yum. Don't know why it's scored so low on the fish app. Ooh, bit of onion, butter. Yummo.